What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in blue and in graphite. I'm super excited to unbox these phones. These phones do have the largest display an iPhone has ever had with a 6.7 inch screen. I do believe that these are the best colors of this year. This blue one is going to be for me and this graphite one is for my wife. So let's get right into the unboxing. We'll go ahead and start with this blue one. So we do have a tab right here at the bottom of plastic, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off, and then we'll go ahead and lift it right up, and there it is. This is the Pacific Blue color. It is a little bit darker than I expected. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box, and here we are. Let me know what you guys think of this color. First impressions is it does look pretty sick. I'm really digging it, to be honest. Here's a quick comparison with the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 blue is a lot darker than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm sure you can see it right over there. It does look a lot different, but I am really digging the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue color. We'll go ahead and see how the graphite color looks, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on both of those. Here is the screen itself. This is the largest screen on an iPhone to date, and it does look massive. I can definitely tell that this is way larger than any iPhone I have ever held. I believe it's only 0.2 or 0.3 inches larger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max or iPhone XS Max, but it does feel a lot larger than what I was expecting, and I'm really digging that, to be honest. So obviously, what else comes inside the box, and we'll go ahead and look through this, which is a SIM ejector. We have some useless paperwork and an Apple sticker, one single Apple sticker at that. And then what else do we have is just a USB-C to lightning cable, no charging brick, as you guys probably already know, but that doesn't make it any less disappointing. So we're gonna go ahead and now unbox the graphite color. Again, we have a tab on the bottom. We'll go ahead and peel off this plastic. We'll go ahead and lift up the box. The box does look pretty sick, to be honest. It's black and it looks just amazing. Small, skinny box, and it just looks awesome. Anyways, we'll go ahead and take that off. And here is the graphite iPhone. This looks freaking sick. I was in between this color or the Pacific Blue color. Let me know what you guys think between these two colors. They both look awesome. Like I said before, I do believe that both of these colors are the top two iPhone 12 Pro colors, and after looking at them in person, I still do believe that. They both look freaking amazing. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little bit more of a close-up so you guys can see a little bit better. And again, the screens are huge. We'll go ahead and take off this one so you can see the full screen, and there you guys go. Freaking massive screens. I'll go ahead and compare them with the iPhone 12, and you can see the difference there. Huge difference. And then obviously the same things come with this phone, the USB-C to lightning cable, and then the same single Apple sticker, useless paperwork, and the SIM ejector. I did also get a case for my iPhone 12 in blue. I'll go ahead and show you guys how that looks like. We'll go ahead and slide it right in. Take off this plastic, and there it is. It's a carbon fiber case with a transparent back, as you can see right over there. It does look pretty awesome. It does have a lip as well, so it will protect your phone. But that basically sums up the unboxings of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue and in graphite, which are definitely the best two colors out right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.